Hello my dear friends, Santosh here. How are you all? I hope you all are good and healthy. Okay friends, today we discuss rock and classification of rocks. Okay. A rock is a solid mass of geological materials. Geological materials include individual mineral, crystal, inorganic, non-mineral solids like glass pieces broken from other rocks and even fossils. Igneous rocks form when melted rock cools and solidifies. Okay, here are some points of rocks. Okay, they mainly bring in solid form. Second point, minerals main matter of rocks. Third points, rock originate due to composition two or more minerals. Next point, there are 2000 known in the world, in which 12 minerals found entire world. 6 is main mineral, they known as rocking minerals. Okay, here are some examples. First one, quartzite. Next, amphobolite, mica, olivine, phosphate. Okay, classification of rocks. Rocks classification in three parts. First one, igneous rocks. Second one, sedimentary rocks. Third one, metamorphic rocks. Okay, igneous rocks divide into two parts: intrusive rocks, extrusive rocks, and sedimentary rocks divide into three parts: chemical process, physical process, biotic process. Metamorphic rocks divide into two parts: thermal change, dynamic change. Okay, now we discuss igneous rocks, meaning in simple words. Igneous rocks or a megamatic rock is one of the three main rocks types, the others being sedimentary and metamorphic. Igneous rocks is formed through the cooling and solidification of magma or lava. The magma can be derived from partially melts of existing rocks in either a planet's mantle or crust. Okay, sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are types of rocks that are formed by the accumulation or deposition of minerals or organic particles at the Earth's surface, followed by cementation. Sedimentation is the collective name for process that cause the particles to settle in place. Okay, in last we discuss metamorphics. Okay, metamorphic rocks started out as some other type of rocks but have been substantially changed from their original igneous, sedimentary or earlier metamorphic form. Metamorphic rocks form when rocks are subjected to high heat, high pressure, hot mineral rich fluids, or more commonly some combination of these factors. Okay, here are some points of igneous rocks. They originate due to solidification of the molten magma. They are following features of igneous rocks. They are known as primary rock. They are also known as megamatic rocks. No fossil in it. They are very hard. Layer and zones are absent. They nature in acidic and basic maximum mineral found in these rocks in the world. They mainly two types: intrusive and extrusive. Okay. First we discuss intrusive. Okay. Intrusive rocks are formed from the magma that cools and solidify within the crust of the planet when lava comes out volcano and solidify into extrusive igneous rocks, also called volcanic. The rocks cools very quickly. Intrusive rocks, also called plutonic rocks, cool slowly without ever reaching the surface. Okay, intrusive, such type of rocks originate due to solidification of molten magma below earth surface, like diabase, diorite, gabbro, granite, pegmatite, and peridotite. Okay, now we discuss extrusive. Okay, extrusive rocks refer to the mode of igneous volcanic rock formation in which hot magma from the inside the earth flows out into the surface as lava or explodes violently into the atmosphere to fall back as pyroclastics or tuff. Okay, extrusive, such type of rocks originate due to solidification of molten magma on Earth's surface. For example, basalt, andesite, rhyolite, dacotite, obsidian, pumic, and scoria. Okay, thank you friends. Okay friends, thank you. We continue this in my next video. Okay, thank you very much for seeing my videos. Okay, bye bye, see you again.